Saturday, November 16. We're on our way to DeLapp Park, 6:30 in the morning.
I don't know how I got convinced to do this.
It's President's Day on like Monday, so they're having a 5K walk/run at the park, and the two of us are headed over there to check it out. It's kind of drizzling, so we're not sure if it's gonna happen or not. And it's also Saturday morning, and Pastor Ken Norton is here, so we don't want to disappoint at the church. Okay, we just got picked up.
Thank you. Where are you going?
Alora.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's 7:20. As you can see, got the President's Day shirt on. We registered, and we got a lot of people starting to show up. A few folks from Baptist, a few folks from a co-op over there, a few folks from the Mormon church. And, the president just showed up actually, so I think we're gonna have a little speech and then get started. Okay, so the 5K has started.
I'm out of shape. I haven't run for like 4 months. I don't know. I woke up 30 minutes ago.
And we gotta get to church soon, but
We got church. Church at 9:30.
but we out here.
I had straight pixie sticks last night, like 6 pixie sticks, and I haven't had anything of substance to eat.
And he's we're gonna try to lead the pack here this morning.
For the basketball team.
We'll see if we can get it done. Update.
We're almost halfway there.
We're almost halfway there. We're getting ready to pass NTA up the front. We're still leading the pack. Doing good. Keeping our pace. I'm starting to feel a little tired, but we're doing this one. We're doing this one for Ellen White.
Egg white. Egg white.
So we just passed K&K. We probably got a little under a mile left, maybe. A little over a mile, maybe. We're on the back roads, and then we're gonna come around front and finish it off. We're gonna pick up the pace when we hit MIR a little bit. Right now we're still leading, and I think the closest guy behind us is one of the Mormons. We're getting ready to turn on the main road for the final stretch. Definitely feeling tired. Still leading though. Here comes the jump. Main road, kind of hot. Got the sun beating down, but we're good. Wish us luck. Nobody's behind us, so go Ellen White. We made it. How are you feeling?
I need something of substance.
We got a few oranges.
Cooking on the citric acid.
I'm feeling some donuts right now.
I'm feeling my hips give out. That's what I'm feeling.
Yeah, it was fun. We stayed behind the police car for the race, so got the dub.
I tried to touch it. That was my. I wanted to kind of be hands with it.
Yeah, and
Towards the end.
yeah, towards the end it started to speed up a little bit, but got the finish strong and we won.
Yeah.
So
There we go.
got some finishers coming through, and yeah, good time. It was a fun time. We saw the president. Maybe
I'm trying to get a picture of the president.
yeah, if she gets back before we leave for church, try to get a picture with her, and try to get these prizes. And
Are your hip flexors kind of tight?
yeah,
My hips are tight.
my hips, a little bit of my calves, and when I finished, I felt like I was gonna throw up just a little bit, but when I was able to keep
Not
them,
enough to leave the mouth.
No.
Not enough. It's a little bit in the
just
mouth.
a little throw up in my mouth a little bit, but got some oranges though to help keep down. These are good stuff. This is good stuff. Not every day that you get to eat oranges for free too. So
Honestly, that's why I came.
we're heading to church. We just collected our winner's prize first and second place, 50 and 30, but we crossed the line at the same time, and they didn't know what to do, so they had to assign somebody. So good day, free t-shirt, and we each got $40, so
Not too shabby.
and then
to start the Saturday.
yeah. We this one, like I said, this one was for Ellen White. And we got to meet.
We did some witnessing.
Yeah,
with
we
the
did some
LDS.
witnessing. So a good way to start out the Sabbath, talking with the LDS,
Talked to the U.S. Embassy.
Mr. Dewey,
Mr. Dewey, yeah.
and yeah, now I'm gonna go get ready for church, and we'll see you later.
What's up, guys? I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I really enjoy making these Majuro vlogs, and it just kind of helps me remember what's been going on and the cool memories that I've been able to collect while I've been here. So if you're about the vlogs and you want to see more, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And yeah, we'll get you in the next one.